have you found it under Ryan, especially during this sort of Nations League campaign?
Yeah, it's been great. Coming obviously for the first game, and he's been talking to me and helping me massively, improving my game attacking wise, and just been a good learning experience.
Yeah, hugely disappointing in terms of the game, because I thought for large spells we were very good. First goal was obviously going to be really important, and it went against us, and then we were obviously pushing to try and get back in the game, and we nearly did it at the end.
What positives in the way that you attacked?
Yeah, no, frustrating, really frustrating. And I thought we had way more chances than them. They're a very good team, and I thought they played well and made it difficult for us. But from our point of view, we didn't. Their 2 goals, we didn't defend well enough on that. So we'll analyse that. But not to take anything away from them, because I do think they're a very good team. But I thought we created enough chances to win the game.
It's a tough game, and I'm happy the way we played. We're slightly disappointed with the goal we conceded at the end, but yeah, overall, very happy to come here and get 3 points. Difficult place to come, so yeah, we'll take that.
It's obviously the save off the free kick.
I haven't seen it back yet, but I don't know, just kind of things I don't know, can't really explain.
From a personal point of view, Chris, 92 caps, level with Neville Southall, it must mean a huge amount for you.
Yeah, it does. It's been something that people have been asking me about for quite a while, and sort of haven't broken it yet. So
you could do it on Tuesday.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get the gaffer in a headlock and see if I can sneak on for a couple of minutes if I'm not starting. So yeah, no, it's been an unbelievable sort of ride. Especially over the past couple of years when I've been equaling and surpassing certain names that I used to come and watch as a boy. It's hard to explain, from a personal point of view, what that means, and also the fans. In terms of the reaction I've been getting over the past couple of years, it's hard to put into words, and for something you get so much joy from doing, and such an honour, it feels like you almost don't deserve the support. So yeah, it's something that I'm really thankful for, and hopefully if I do it on Tuesday, it'll be a really special night for me.